I tested 5 money-making apps to see if they really pay. Some were great, others, total scams. Do these apps actually work, or are they just wasting our time? Stay tuned, because I'll show you exactly how much I made and which apps are worth your time. Let's get started with app number 1. First up, TaskRabbit. This app lets you earn money by helping people with small tasks like moving, assembling furniture, or even running errands. Think of it as Uber, but for odd jobs. Signing up was pretty easy, but you need to pass a background check. Once approved, I saw tons of jobs in my area, ranging from $20 to $100 per task. I took a simple furniture assembly gig that paid $50. It took me 45 minutes and boom, money in my account. Final verdict? If you don't mind working, TaskRabbit is 100% legit. Next up, Sweatcoin. This app claims to pay you just for walking. Sounds too good to be true, right? Once I installed it, Sweatcoin tracked my steps and converted them into Sweatcoins. The more you walk, the more coins you earn. After walking 10,000 steps, I earned about 5 Sweatcoins. You can redeem them for gift cards or even PayPal cash. The third app I tested is Remotasks. This app pays you for helping train AI by completing simple tasks like labeling images or data entry. Some tasks paid as little as 5 cents, but others paid $3 to $5. After a few hours, I made about $15. App number 4 is Upvoice, which pays you just for browsing social media. Yes, really. After installing Upvoice, I just used Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram like normal. At the end of the week, I earned about $5 without doing anything. Our last app is Misplay, which pays you for playing mobile games. Each minute you play, you earn points that can be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal cash. After playing for 2 hours, I earned enough for a $5 gift card. So after testing all 5 apps, here's my final ranking. Which of these apps would you try? Comment below, and if you love money-making experiments, subscribe for more videos like this.